Muthenya thutha wongi atongoria na Kenya maraitika kuota mugagaca niguo gucakaya na family ya mutigaire Raila Odinga na oho kumuhe gitio kia muthia gaburi-ini makiria kuri aria matahotire gukinya mathiko-ini. Umuthi kiuma giathi gia kanjo ya magavana kuria matongoririo ni muikariri giti wao uria nowe gavana wa Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi na ciugo thuranire macakaite Odinga ariwe kihumo gia thirikari cia matura kuona ehandire nacio riria hakuhe bururi wothe wari mugaru nake.
Baba was devolution, and devolution indeed is and was Baba.
Oho magavana aya maugite nginyagia kuhuruka gwake Odinga arakuyaga orwa thirikari cia matura ona gutuika haria ciaba cia Odinga arari muhari-ini wa mbere guciruta mahitia.
Those that are oppressed did not initially believe the fight was worth it or it was possible, but Kenya has changed irreversibly because of him.
Iguru woguo no matugiritie Odinga ni kwirutira ngoro mwiri na thakame makiria hoka ni kurwira wiyathi wa ciama nyingi wiyathi uria wacenjirie na kugarura unduire wa kiuteti guothe bururi-ini.
I come from a part of this country that before multipartyism was governed under emergency law, and that will not have changed if Baba did not fight for democracy and multi-partyism.
Mwenene wa family ya Odinga ni cokerie ngatho a Kenya aria maramihe kiande gia kuririra ihinda-ini riri iritu makiuga matikariganirwo ni wendo uyu utari na githimi.
I know even Baba where he is in heaven is looking back and saying, yes, those are my people. We have very many visitors and I may not have an opportunity to thank each one of you individually, but know that we are grateful to see you here. May God bless you. Thank you.
Icera ria kanjo ya magavana riukite thiku nini tu thutha wa miario ya gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga neria irataurirwo ta ya gukenerera gikuo kia Raila na icera-ini riri no gavana wa Tharaka Nithi tuonete kuma gitaro-ini kia Mount Kenya. Handũ-ini ha Inooro TV nyetagwo Gitonga wa Wambui.
Excellencies,